Let's look at this JAMB Past Question Physics 2018, question number 37. In homes, electrical appliances and lamps are connected in parallel because A. Less current will be used, B. Less voltage will be used, C. Parallel connection does not heat up the wires, D. Series connection uses high voltage. Now, for us to appreciate this, we need to understand what parallel connection is basically. Now we have your voltage source bringing in voltage across these loads. So we have the first load here, we have the second load, then you have the third load. So this is what we call parallel connection. We have the same voltage across these ends but having different currents depending on the load. So that is what we call parallel connection. The voltage across all of them is the same voltage across the terminals, but depending on the R, which is the load, you're having the different currents. So that is what we have in a parallel connection. And in parallel connection, voltage remains the same and the current divides for each. That is one property of a parallel connection, so that 220 volts is there for all of them, providing the current required to take these loads. Now, if one device is not working, like in this arrangement, if this device is bad, these other ones will continue to work. That's why parallel connection is very okay. Unlike if you have a series connection, this is called a series connection with the different loads. You find out that if this one is bad, then there's no current cannot flow past this to work on these ones. So you find out that many of the electrical appliances and lamps are done with this very parallel connection, because if this one is not working, there's still a path to the circuit across like this and like this. So parallel connection is always good. But from this option, we're having less current will be used. Is that true? I don't think this is close. Less voltage will be used. Will there actually be less voltage used since the voltage is just the same? Okay, let's be considering this. Parallel connection does not heat up wires. I don't think this is a nice option from our explanation. Series connection uses high voltage. Now, if the voltage determines the current, so if each of them is going to be having different voltage, you're going to find out that you might be having high voltage. It will use high voltage because you need voltage to transmit current from here to here, then another voltage here. So D is the most likely answer to this problem, and that is the answer for our problem. Thank you.